Last time on BFB Mini, computer has decided to eliminate someone from the Extreme 2 when suddenly a strange villain called Lucy killed him. How are the final 6 going to get a host now? Let's find out. In the rest is the battle. Why did you do that to a computer, Lucy? Because you're a villain? No, because I'm an agent. And agents do good, not bad. What? Anyways, bye! I can't believe we lost computer. Now what? Actually, if we let computer be dying, then BFB Mini will be cancelled. That's just like we said. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, I'm in. You bet it'll be murder-rific. Guys. Furnace and I will host. We'll be a replacement. Welcome back to BFB Mini. Last time, Spiky Murdered and Bullet Bill from the Extreme 2 lost, so they're bringing it up when one of them is eliminated. Furnace? Okay. And the person out is Bullet Bill. Oh, no, I mean, Spiky Murdered. Yeah. No, I got out, boss. I know, I'm sorry, Spiky Murdered. Bullet Bill. I know we had our ups and downs. It's his best friends. But you're still my amigo. Friends? Amigos. Get out of here! You're my best friend. I'll miss you, boss. Goodbye, Spiky Murdered. I'll miss you. I won't let you down. I'll make you proud. I promise. Alrighty then, the next contest is to get Lucy back. Furnace? I don't want to be a co-host anymore. I'll be a contestant again. Carry on. Alright. The 2 people who don't get Lucy back lose and are up for elimination. Go! What? Oh no! I don't believe it! Lucy! Aha! Found you, Lucy! Great job, Bullet Bill. You found me. Now you can have computer back. I'll recover. Bye! Bye, Lucy! Huh? What happened? Oh my gosh, computer, you're back! We miss you so much! Well, I'm glad I missed you too. But where's Spiky Murdered?
I don't know where he is. Up by think it's Bowser Jr.
Whatever. Anyways, we need to find the two people that are up for elimination. Well, since Furnace was the co-host and Circle thinks my show is cancelled, they're both up for elimination. Viewers, vote who should be saved. The person with the least votes is out of here. Will the least votes live in Circle? Oh, come on. I'm up for elimination again. Please save me. If I get eliminated, I'll play jokes in a boring elimination place. So vote for me. Or Furnace. I'm too scared.